Diane in Denmark here. Welcome back to day 2 of our 5-day self-care challenge. Now yesterday your little mission was to look at your outfit for today and maybe wear something you haven't worn for a long time, go for a colour of nail varnish that you haven't done before, or a bold lipstick instead of some lip gloss. And I hope you enjoyed doing that challenge. I know for some of you it's a bit scary. It's always scary to do something a bit different, but also it kind of forces us out of our comfort zone. And you may get comments from people saying, oh, where are you going today? And you know what, you can just say to them, I'm going places, okay? You're just kind of moving on up, you're moving forward. And also I loved seeing our pictures on Instagram that people had picked earrings that they had been given as a gift and hadn't really been wearing, or jewelry, or an outfit, or different shoes. So anyway, post on Instagram if you can, because it's really good for us to know that we're all in the same boat here. We're just doing this together. Anyway, I'm going to move on to today's little mission for you. I'll give you the mission first, and then we'll talk a wee bit about pamper ideas. Today, I want you to do something, a self-care thing, which is physical, and a physical self-care thing for yourself. And what I mean by physical is doing something like, I don't know, it can be plucking your eyebrows, or doing your nails. Maybe if you're not into colouring your nails, you can maybe just sit down tonight, put your feet in a bucket of water, rub off the hard skin, put on some foot cream. And as I've explained to you before, I'm a winter bather, so I have to shave my legs all year round because I'm on view all year round. So my pamper today is going to be doing my toenails. I'm going to paint my toenails, and maybe it's a little, I don't know if Vibeke and Helena are watching this today, but as a wee surprise, my daughter's got these little, what do you call them, rhinestones. I might put some rhinestones in my toes and give them a wee surprise next time we're bathing together. Anyway, as I said, do something physical for yourself. It can be also something like, if you haven't had your hair cut professionally in a long time, it's plan and play day in Flylady Land. Go ahead and book that hair appointment. Often the hair thing, I did it myself. When the kids were small, I thought, oh, well, it didn't really matter. Hair really is the thing that, if you're having a good hair day, it can change everything. Get a style that suits you, that's easy to care for, and ask somebody professional about it. You don't need to be spending lots of money on it, but just you are worth it getting a regular haircut. Or maybe you want to go to a salon and get your nails done or something like that. I normally do these things myself because I'm a canny Scot and like to save money. And the other thing is that if you're not really into these kind of things like hair and nails and that kind of thing, go ahead and have your favourite drink, your favourite beverage, as Sheldon would say in Big Bang Theory. Is there a drink that you really enjoy and you don't have it that often? It's plan and play day. Get it down on your list for errand day. A little thing that I discovered the other day when I was when I went to see Mum in Edinburgh. I was sitting on the plane and I had a tomato juice. Now, I don't know why, but I never drink tomato juice here at home. I normally drink water. But just that fact of having the tomato juice, I always feel like I'm really feeling kind of grown up. So I'm going to get myself some tomato juice and have it, with celery salt, and that's going to be my little pamper. So, there are different ways of pampering, but I want you to do something physical today. Actually, as I said, get that hard skin off your feet, or put on an eye mask, a couple of tea bags, lie back, something like that. And if you can, please put down below in the comments any pamper ideas that you have, because we're all different, and if we could all chime in with something, it just gives us that inspiration. So either chime in here, or chime in on Instagram and I'll try and put a list together and we'll have one big list of all these things that we can do. Right, as I said to you, I'm going to keep these videos to 5 minutes because I want you to go off and also, you know, set your timer when you have pamper time. Don't go going the whole day with your pamper time. Stick to 5, 10 or 15 minutes, and once you're done, give yourself a rah, rah, rah and a pat on the back and we'll all be good. Okay, Diane in Denmark saying live long and prosper. May the Danish hygge be with you, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.